Good evening. My name is Sherry. I came here to Dr. Osama Ben office, and he did fibroscan for me, and my level was F4, and that's really a late stage with fibrosis, and I have like big chance to have cancer in my liver. But Dr. Osama Ben treat me really good, and he gave me good medications, and he deal with me in a very nice way. And he's an excellent doctor. I took this medication, and he gave me some diet to follow, and I did follow his diet, and I go according to whatever he said during the visit, and I did take his medication daily, very carefully, and every day I was remember what he did say to me, and